Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another career reading tayo today for you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga air signs natin right now, no? So, yeah, let's start with you, Gemini, no? So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga Gemini natin? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyong career right now, no, Gemini? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Gemini, para sa iyong career situation, no? So, yeah. Ano ba yan? Anong nakuha natin for you? So, you have this close to you, false scam, backstab, no? So, yan, no? Meron dito, mga Gemini, no? Wina-warningan kayo ni universe, no? Someone around you, no, close to you is a scam, no, maybe ay pineperahan ka ng tao na ito, no, so nararamdaman mo na rin siguro ito, no, Gemini, no, that's why nagkakaroon ng problema sa iyong career, no, something like that, no, sa business man ito or job man ito, right, no, so yeah, be aware lang with this person, no, kasi ginagamit ka na nga sa pera and then binabackstab ka pa, no, something like that, no, Gemini. So, what else? You have this tarot reader, no? So, yeah, no, for some of you, Gemini, no, it's a confirmation. Maybe nagko-question kayo sa sarili nyo kung pwede na ba kayo mag-tarot reader, no? To be a tarot reader. So, yeah, it's a confirmation, Gemini, no? Pwede mong gawin tong career mo, itong tarot reader na ito, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, no? So, let's see what are the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, or lucky color with this lucky color for you within this week, no, Gemini. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards dito, no, mga Gemini. 6 cards for you, Gemini, for your possible lucky numbers for you this week, no, Gemini. Universe, please. 6 cards, no? So, we need 3 cards more, no, for you. So, universe, please, Holy Spirit, 3 more cards for Gemini. So, I think 1 more card na lang, Gemini. So, yeah, 1 more card for Gemini, please, universe. 1 more card, please. 1 more card for Gemini. So, yun na nga. May lumabas na. So, let's see ano tong mga nakuha natin for you, Gemini, no? So, you have this 11, no? So, 111, no? This is a angel number, no? So, yeah. And also, again, no? 77, no? 77. It's an angel number again. So, 11, so, magkatabi ito, no? So, 1177, pwede mo yung gawing 1177. So, it's also an angel number, no? So, tignan mo na lang to, Gemini, sa Google, no? Kung ano yung makaka-resonate sa yung message. There is a message for you from your angel guides, no? So, again, so, what else? You have this 3, 59, 48, and 76, no? So, yan, napatabi ko pa rito, no? So, 777 is also an angel number for you, no? So, tignan nyo na lang, no? Pwedeng 1177 or 1177 and 777. No? So, yeah, no? Ayan yung mga angel numbers for you, Gemini. So, i-check mo na lang again sa Google, no? So, yeah. And also, with these numbers, no? If you see this Gemini repeatedly within this week is you will receive a good news, no, mga Gemini. So, yeah. That's it for you, Gemini, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo dito, mga Gemini. So, yeah, thank you for watching, Gemini. So, yeah, no? Let's proceed naman sa'yo, Libra, no? So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Libra, no? So, anong merong sitwasyon sa inyong career ngayon, mga Libra natin ngayon, no? So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, no, mga Libra, no? For your career situation, Libra, no? So, ano kayang meron sa career ng mga Libra natin? So, yeah, let's see. Anong meron? So, So, katulad kay Gemini, no? So, close to you, false scam, backstab, no? So, meron talaga, no, Libra, no? For some of you talaga air sign, no? Kasi connected talaga kayo, no? Meron talagang someone close to you ay ang fake, no? Something like that, no? Hindi siya totoo sa'yo. Binabackstab ka, Libra, no? So, yeah, mararamdaman mo naman ito, Libra, right? No? So, may idea ka na rin siguro for some of you, Libra, no? There is someone around you, no? Na, kasi this is a career reading, so, maybe ay may kinalaman sa financial to, Libra, no? So, binabackstab ka rin ng tao na ito. So, someone close to you, no? Maybe a family member din, no? So, what else? You have this mindful, wise decision, partnership, no? So, yan, no? May mga offers for you, Libra, no? So, but then, sinasabi dito ni universe is be mindful, no? Be wise, no? Upon decisions, no? Regarding partnership, collaborations, no? Whatever it is, kung ano man yung mga paparating na offers for your career, no? Something like that, Libra, is pag-isipan mo mabuti, maging mindful, pag-aralan mo muna before decisioning, right? No? So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi sa iyo dito, Libra, no? So, talagang wag ka muna, kung contracts man yan, wag ka munang basta-basta pipirma, no? Pag-aralan mo, basahin mong mabuti, no? So, yeah, that's it. Kasi maybe pwedeng may kinalaman yan, no? Iba-backstab ka lang, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan naman natin, possible lucky colors, I mean lucky numbers or color for you this week, Libra, no? So, universe, no? 6 cards for Libra, please, no? Universe, Holy Spirit, no? So, I think one more card na lang for Libra, please, universe, Holy Spirit. I need one more card for Libra, please. So, yun na, may lumabas na. So, tignan natin yan, mga Libra. So, may nakita akong angel number 99, no? So, i-check nyo yan sa Google, no, Libra. So, you have this 35, 60, 33, no? 33, it's an angel number again, no? 33, and 15, 8, 1, and last is 99. So, you have angel number 99 and 33, no, mga Libra. No? So, i-check nyo yan sa Google. There is a message for you from your angel guides, no, Libra. No? So, and of course, once you see this repeatedly, no, itong mga numbers na to, within this week is you will receive good news, no, regarding your career, no, Libra. No? So, yeah. So, that's it for you, Libra. No? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading for you, with this career reading for you, Libra. No? So, yeah. Thank you for watching, Libra. So, yeah. Let's proceed naman to you, Aquarius. So, yeah. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin dyan, no? Anong meron sa inyong career right now, no? Situation sa inyong career, no? So, yeah. Tignan natin, no? Let's get 2 cards for you, Aquarius, no, for your career situation, right? So, let's get 2 cards. So, let's see what are those cards for you, Aquarius, no? Ang arte, no? Aquarius. So, yeah, no? Yan, no? Parang nagulat, no? So, you have also tarot reader, no? So, for some of you, Aquarius, no? So, it's a confirmation you are a tarot reader and you can use this skills for you for your career, no? So, pwede mo siyang gamitin as your financial resource, no? Resources, no? Yeah, something like that, no, mga Aquarius, no? So, yeah, you are a tarot reader. It's confirmed by the universe, right? And what else? You have this Scorpio, honest, help long term, no? So, yeah, no? There is someone, no? Possible a Scorpio sign, no, a water sign, but it doesn't have to be, no. Someone wants to help you, no, regarding your career, no, and it will be a long term, no. You will be partnering with this water sign for a long term, no. So, makakatulong to ng malaki sa iyong career, no, Aquarius, no. So, yeah, no? So, maybe kilala mo na rin to, whoever is this Scorpio or water sign, no? So, yeah, someone na makakatulong regarding your career, no? So, tignan naman natin, possible lucky numbers for you or color for you, no? Aquarius. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards. So, please, universe, no? Meron ng isa. 6 cards for Aquarius, please. Possible lucky numbers for Aquarius or color, please, universe, please, for Aquarius, no? So, I think one more card na lang, please, universe. So, yan na, may lumabas na. So, let's see ano tong mga nakuha natin for you, Aquarius. So, you have this 29, 3, number 10, 37, 36, and 7, no? So, yeah, no? Again, if you see this number repeatedly, no, within this week, is you will receive good news, no, mga Aquarius natin dyan, no? So, yeah, may mga marireceive kayo regarding your career, no? It's a good news, no? Once you see this number repeatedly around, no? So, yeah. So, yeah, that's the message for you, Aquarius, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today, Aquarius, and overall sa inyong mga air signs, no? So, yeah, that's it. That's all for you now, mga air signs, no? Your career reading today, no? And yeah, always keep praying lang, maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo, and have a strong faith kay God, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, God bless you all, air signs, and thank you for watching, air signs.